Hey, you want to know what we've been up to? That's how we pulling up to this last unit to start this paint job. Come check it out.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
Alright, so we about to get ready to do some ceiling paint. Come on, teaching Junior how to open it. No, don't push it down here. Put it right here.
Well,
Trying to hold the camera. Nope, put it on the edge.
here.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Come on, put it right here.
Done.
Like this. Look, pay attention. Oh, no, wait. Need some gloves. Boom. Now get the mixer.
Yeah, I got it. No! Oh, I didn't get it. Yeah, ooh, they're so happy. They're so big. Get me minutes.
Wait, nope. Don't turn it on. Get your hand off the trigger. Wait, no. Mix. Hold it, 2 hands.
All day long I'm hustling, trying to feed my family. Without them I ain't nothing. But watch on fam, cause some you can't trust some. Man, I got some stories that'll make you start cussing. But really I'm just trying to make a milli though.
Good. All right, get your hand off. All right, good job. Look good. It's time to hook up the sprayer. You need the mask on, or the whole shebang. All right.
Well, no, I will throw at you that.
You gonna throw snow at me? I'm gonna throw it at you.
You're the at you. I.
You gonna throw that Artie?
You're the at me.
Yeah. First of all, this is TJ, you are so fried. Hold on, let me see. Look. Back and forth. Don't forget this part. And forth. Ooh.
I did it.
Good job. Okay, Nani, you did it. Nani, mommy, baby. Okay. Helper. Hello there, guys. Okay, pick that up. Let me hold Picky. Thank you. You pick that up. So we gotta put all those shelves in here. Let's do it, Julie.